Hey guys, welcome back to the Geriatric Goon Squad Garage. I am here at the northeastern headquarters of the Geriatric Goon Squad Garage, or Triple G. You can see I'm wearing my Goon Squad shorts though there, although those are not Geriatric Goon Squad shorts. Those are just Goon Squad shorts. That's from a channel called Goon Squad. It's a couple of brothers that rebuild cars and work on houses and do all sorts of stuff. And basically, my brother and I been watching their channel for years and decided, you know what, we need to do something like that ourselves. Why the hell not? Even if we never make any money on it, it's a fun thing to do, and we've got a record of what we've been doing. So anyway, I'm here tearing out the flooring in my condo, the Geriatric Goon Squad Garage headquarters, or as I said before, Triple G for short, here in Southern Virginia. I've got the flooring here. In a minute here, you're going to see me tearing out the cabinet, the washing machine there, the sink, all sorts of stuff. Going to refinish all this stuff and then either move back into it or, I don't know, I might just sell it. So anyway, I'm going to put some fun music on and let you guys watch me work. That might get a few views. Motherfucker! Excuse my friend. Damn it! Right on my foot! So the first thing I got to do here is take out the dishwasher. And I am adjusting the feet on the bottom so I can get it out of that spot. Got to disconnect the electrical line and all the water hoses. At this point I decide I probably should turn off the electricity if I'm going to be messing around with the electrical lines. So luckily it's during the day and I can leave the door open there and have lots of light coming through the storm door, so I can still see what I'm doing and The video can still record just fine. Line, and then we've got a drain. Drain line. Next side of the garbage disposal. That way, all the junk that goes in here doesn't go directly into the drain and clog up the drain. It goes into the garbage disposal first. You can always run the garbage disposal to break everything up even more before you try to flush it down the pipes. Okay, so I'm gonna get that off. Flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna try to save. Nah, I can't save this cabinet. May as well rip it off. No way to save it anyway. Ooh! Alright, now we can see what the hell he's doing. Oops, wrong screwdriver. It's getting there, baby. It's getting there. That's a big step right there. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Hope you drop me a like and subscribe on this, what I've been doing when I'm not playing Apex Legends.